Hi, I'm Jack and I'm an apprentice with Cattell. So as an apprentice, at my stage, I'm sort of doing all sorts, depending on the job, but there could be days where I go around following the other lads finishing the windows, or they'll ask me to finish the doors, or I could be taking windows out myself, which I do on quite a regular basis now, and then I might be fitting my own as well. So I do enjoy the variation because it's something different every day, more or less. It's not the same thing. So it is always keeping you on your toes, something new every day. The coursework side, I'm in the offices at Cattell, and it's different to the stuff on site because you sort of learn things and pick things up that you wouldn't necessarily do here, such as like the legal side and regulations and health and safety and those sort of things. So it's different because I feel like my learning here is important to everyone else around me other than just me, so it helps me in that way. Yes, I definitely recommend apprenticeships to others, yeah. I'd recommend it because of all the learning on the job that you can do, all the practical work. It's interesting and it's enjoyable. Hopefully after I've passed my apprenticeship, there's a future for me here at Cattell.